Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to watch Damn Nature You Scary Part 2. So the first video that we watched was very interesting and also it was scary. Like how that, Americans are. It was rather more than Damn Nature You Are Scary. It was more Damn Americans You Are Scary. Because there was one cougar that was coming to an American and he was like, no, stand there. And he was
But that guy was
teaching
still
him.
kept on recording.
Yes, and he was recording it. There was crocodile coming at them and they were like, no crocodile, go back. Like how you don't even guys run. You just stay there and you guys are like, come on, we will fight it out.
Yeah.
So we will see what happens in part
2.
Oh
my god.
Oh!
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh, elephant is taking the phone. He just slapped it.
Oh my god. He wanted to take the selfie.
Don't take my photo. Oh. Oi. Oh my god. This is chilling.
And to see like this in real life.
Oi.
Oh.
Are these dolphins?
Dolphins!
So many dolphins are together.
Look at that! Oh my gosh!
Oh.
He's gonna scratch my foot!
Oh, they're fighting.
Oh my god! He just scratched my foot!
Where she talk?
Oh my god!
What is inside it? Who is eating this?
Súbela.
Hey!
Holy crap. Oh, you freak. Oh, he's eating the apples from his hand.
He's like, this is coming in my way, get out. For elephant, it is so easy. Oh! The moment they just heard food.
Yeah.
What is this?
Oh my god.
What is that?
It was totally invisible.
It's like
This
a
is pretty.
Pokemon.
Oh God, Pete, your pedal's close to that one.
Oh!
That is
Sorry.
It just bites hard.
Is it sleeping?
What's that?
It's biting him.
Yeah, his arm.
Oh, it has bit his arm.
I think that guy was.
Oh, the
poisonous.
snake is there. He just saw it. Oh, she saw it. That was a big snake. Oh. How can an alligator come in a sewer?
Yeah.
Jones have a news to come right now.
Yeah.
Sheldon Fox in Westchester.
It can come out anytime.
It cannot come out like this.
Yeah. It might be stuck.
Alright, I'm gonna jump in there and try to get him out, guys.
No.
Oh, he's f***ing on. He's f***ing on. Oh! Oh, he's gonna go on. Oh, he's
There's
going
a fight
on.
going on.
Oh, shit. Get out of there, son.
He fell and he was. Hey, what is that?
It just came out.
Ew. Is it spit or shit?
Bombs.
No.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh!
You've eaten that little. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw.
Holy moly. Proper Americans.
Holy moly, that was a big boy.
This is India. Oh, yeah, this is India. See the way.
They're gone mad.
Oh my god. Oi.
This is a deer.
Where, yeah. Oh, where it is going? These photographers.
Entertainment.
These photographers do not fear for their life.
Oh, he's
Oh,
scared.
the cow will come back.
Yeah.
The cow will come
Come
back.
back.
แก้ว
See?
ถอยแก้ว
For the elephant, that is nothing.
เราเรื่องอะไรนะเป็นไรอ่ะ
He just easily
มัน
broke
จะ
it.
กินของกินในรถเนี่ย
Nature is actually very scary.
What, you ever seen anything that big?
Never.
My God.
I think that's two guys in an alligator suit.
Ну чё ты, ну иди сюда, иди сюда, иди сюда, ну привет, ну дорогой. Чё ты, как дела? Как?
Ah! He's fat on him.
Is that monkey?
Getting in
No,
the way of me going to the bar.
cannot see. Yeah, it's a
And
monkey.
he's really scary.
It's a monkey?
Like type on.
Please don't come this way.
Like he knows English.
Oh.
I don't like this.
Stop
The
harassing
bar is
that
way.
girl.
Please move.
She wants to go to the bar.
Please move.
He's like, pay the fees first.
Come
Yeah.
on.
Kiss me.
No, give me something to eat.
Oh,
Oh.
He's a boner.
He has a boner?
Let's go in. Let's go in.
What was that?
Here comes. Okay.
Oh, that bear was inside?
Go on. He's huge.
Yeah, he's huge actually.
Oh.
Go on.
Look at the camera and say goodbye to Hoss.
Oh, squirrel.
This is not scary.
Baby squirrel.
There you go. There you go. Go up that tree. There you go. Can you make it?
Oh no, the cat took it instantly. Cat was like,
Elephant
thanks
is
for the
coming,
dinner.
Elephant is coming. Oh my god, run guys.
Oh, these dogs on the
are
road.
crazy.
Always. But he is dangerous. He's so scared. This is
They are not moving, right?
this is what they say. You don't have to move.
He's controlling his laugh. But still he is moving his phone.
Spider.
Spider.
Oh, it's doing karate. Oh, whoa. Wow.
Wow.
Ninja. It's a knife.
Crab, right?
Crab has a knife. Crab is like, you cut me a lot. Now it's my time.
A gente foi matar ele, ele tomou a vaca e tá ameaçando todo mundo.
Yes.
Oh, I don't know why this mess.
The next video is Goose versus American Army.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kept trying to tell him, don't stop, just keep walking.
Oh, he didn't
That's
see
a
that.
Snack.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh,
thank God.
thankfully he went. Snakes are scary.
It's a flood area. What is that?
Alligator.
Oh. They are so hideous.
Oh, what are these?
Ants.
Ants?
So
This
many.
huge.
So many.
No, it's you. Oh yeah.
They have a
Male
habit
ants.
of getting together, no?
Male ants.
My
Oh my god,
God.
I've not seen this big ants. Oh.
It's itching me.
Yeah, that's
Oh no.
Déjalo que suba hasta la cabeza y te lo quitas, hombre. Porque ahí se te va a coger todo.
There's a starfish.
so stuck.
Oh my God. Or is it
And
an
we're
octopus?
recording, so we've just been looking for barramundi out here and doing a useless world tour, and we've just been spearing barramundi just up along these logs. We've had a little bit of luck, and
kind of had to stop and be like, well,
Yeah, we
gotta be
can
careful
come
because
out.
at the end of the day, this is saltwater crocodile country. You can see how crystal clear this water is. And guess what, guys? We were just about to spear a barramundi right here, and then guess what we saw?
What? Oh, alligator. Oi.
Ja, boję się, że nie świat. Dawaj.
Shut the camera. Give me food. It's Pat. Oh. Oh. Your life is so short. What is that? Oh, bear!
Oh my god. Thankfully it went away. No?
Yeah, it is going.
Yeah. They're
Oh.
confirming.
This is panther. Oh no, it's waiting for it. Oh!
Dude!
It's huge! And it is able to match the speed of the motorboat.
Folk kan zeer kwijt met in die boom op
Hippo.
gejaagd.
Hippo, yeah.
You know, hippo can crush your skull.
Hippos are very lazy, I've heard.
But their mouth is so big, they can crush your skull easily.
Oh.
Oh, that is.
Both were scared of each other.
I love the giant brain.
นี่คือพลังมดนะครับ
Ants are, oh my god, they are pulling, see?
Oh wow, I just love that teamwork.
ถอยหลังเดินขึ้นด้วยนี่
This is how pyramids were built. Yeah, the only way.
ไหนหมดแรงมันออกเปลี่ยนทันทีเลยยาวเลยอ่ะ
Why? What's the purpose of pyramids?
Oh, it's in the tent. Oh. He's like, no, they're horn. Oh,
What is he taking?
sleeping bag.
He's driving a bit closer, maybe. Let's keep an eye out for
He's scared now. Now he's scared.
Yeah, hit that chair. Come on.
Nature is actually very, very scary. The most scary part for me was that dolphin was continuously following that motorboat, and we know motorboats are very fast, and that was very, very fast, but it was so easily was able to match that speed. That was actually crazy. And the dog running behind the cycles, we have seen that a lot in India. If you live anywhere, like, you know that dogs run behind you, and you just stop and ask them that, why are you running behind me, and then they'll stop. That's what their whole point of life
They
is.
just need attention in India, I would say. And you know, what I think about is compared to animals, I feel insects are more scarier because I still like ants, cockroaches, and that crab. Crab is not an insect, right?
Crab is not insect.
No, it's not insect. But whatever kind of, especially cockroaches and dogs are very scary for me. Like I have seen, dogs running after me, and even whenever I'm walking and the dog is coming next to me and he does nothing, but he still walks with me, but still I'm very scary.
So how did you guys find it? Do let us know in the comment section below. So do like, share, and
Subscribe.
bye.